the last two are videos.
Wow.
Oh my.
That's why I was asking if you had a DVD player.
Beautiful.
You can watch it.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Do you need some help, honey? You like that?
That one's for Amy.
Can you get
Amy
in
Glenn?
okay?
That Glenn's got some taste, huh?
Wrap it out. There you go. Wrap it up.
Oh my god.
Man.
Oh, man, she could play with
I know she
it.
likes that kind of love.
Yeah.
Man, that's the one I wanted for her, but I didn't get it. Okay. Wow, she loves that stuff.
Look
She loves it. Oh, that's my favorite. That's my favorite.
Thank you. That's from Auntie Amy and Uncle
That smells
Glenn.
pretty.
Say thank you, Diana, to Amy, to Auntie Amy. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I love those.
Another Zuzu pet.
So good. They have beads in them or something?
No way, not another Zuzu pet.
You lucky little brat. I love you, baby. You're such a good student at school. You deserve it.
Thank you.
You better get your butt over here.
Thank you, Aiden.
Not another Zuzu cat.
I think that thing needs batteries. Does this thing need batteries?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How about here?
Wow.
You like
Little
it?
secret.
She likes the kitty.
Oh, hello kitty.
Oh, she's gonna look good on that thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a little jumpsuit.
Yes.
You got stuff for your kitchen too?
Look, she's trying to open it with her teeth. Can you help her out?
Here.
Oh.
Looks like Josh.
Then I have another present.
Check Anne Marie. Just like Mason.
No, it's the same. Really having a hard time. There's a bunch of buttons to press and pressing all the buttons. I'm just not there yet.
What is it?
She doesn't know, but she knows she's gonna like it.
She sees paper.
Uh-huh.
Paper, yeah.
She loves. Oh my god, no wonder she's like
Lucky.
over 50. Oh, look at that. Look, she's already.
Paper crayons.
Yeah, she's already like.
Thank you, Amy.
See all of them.
You nailed it, Amy. Thank you. You're right. You figured it
Look at all
out.
the pictures.
You got everything.
Wow.
Everything that they would want, you got it. You guys, both of you girls, got it.
Oh.
She's
Uh-huh.
couldn't even wait. She's just like. What's? Whoa, what is that? A bead. Oh, bubbles.
No way! A bumblebee bubbler.
Open it.
At the
How are we
house.
get home?
At the house. Bubbles at the house, okay?
In here, okay?
Tell her there's another person. Open it. Open it.
Oh, this.
Put your here, huh?
We're not sure yet.
We're still trying to figure it out.
Yay!
I like those. I like those.
Further along.
There you go.
Yeah, nice. Comfy.
Emerge.
That's the easy way.
Emerge. That's pretty. What is it? A turtle! Hey, you two turning her into a mom and
It's in the blood.
I like those little marble things on it. You're welcome.
It's good, huh?
See, she would like
What are you
it.
doing?
Go to hell if I don't change my ways. What are you doing?
Nice turtle.
Thank you, Diana.
Is that alright?
Yes, you guys are awesome all the time. Thank you.
Eric, I just want to know, is there any Pink Floyd, Led Zeppelin?
Megadeth.
Dad.
No Doobie Brothers? No.
Slayer.
Pretty. What does the shirt say?
Oh, those are all the spans on there.
No old Ozzy.
No.
Pretty. That was it, so I can help out clean up.
Well, it's for Amy.